Happy New Year everyone! It's Hannah from Nailzini, and today I'll show you how to do these super sparkly firework nails for New Year's. Since I'll be using a lot of glitter, I'm applying 2 coats of Ready for Takeoff Peel Off Base Coat by Und. Wait until the first coat is dry before applying a second. Apply a coat of non-fast drying top coat, and while it's still wet, pour the glitters over your nail. Make sure to place a piece of paper under your nails so you can catch all the glitters that fall off. Gently brush off the glitters that got onto your skin using a fan brush. Then apply a thick layer of top coat to seal in all the glitters. I applied 5 layers to make sure the glitters are smooth enough to paint on. Clean your brush before putting it back into the bottle because there will probably be some glitter on it. Now repeat these steps for the other nails. For the accent nail, I'm applying 2 coats of Neo-Noir by Hema and 1 coat of Insta-Dry by Sally Hansen. I'll be using this tiny brush to paint Happy New Year with gold paint. Then add a couple tiny fireworks between the words. Apply a matte top coat and that nail is done. Then I'll be adding a couple different firework designs on the glitter nails. Apply a fast drying top coat and we're done! Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, please give a thumbs up below and subscribe for more nail art tutorials.